Good morning, friends. Welcome back, YouTube. Man, sometimes I click the wrong mic. This time I clicked mic from the iPhone, and yeah, you heard how that went down. So I hope you guys had a nice, safe, relaxing trading day. I know I did. It was pretty sweet, to the point. Trade was like 15 minutes or something. It's awesome. So let's do this all over again. Weekly chart, higher time frames. We were looking for a bottom at 20 or 30% retracement, and we have seen to found a bottom so far at the 20% retracement. Bam! So let's drop into the 15-minute and see how that went down. So we come down for the London session, and London doing that was like, okay, I'm not really expecting much today, and especially this kind of gimpy looking profile here, kind of a bear flag or whatever. Closes above the down close candle at the time we would want to see it, and then bam. So if you look on Twitter, scroll down a little bit, you'll see my execution right in here, taking a partial at the bearish breaker and then collapsing the trade at the new week opening gaps discount, and then she ran. So that's pretty cool, and this is what I was explaining the last few weeks since I started back publicly here. I want to start practicing getting into time stops, and this is why. Because if I was expecting a large range today and price happened to offer one, well, it would be really cool to capture the close of the candle, which is right here, and that would have been 829 ticks. I wouldn't have been upset that I didn't catch the absolute high, but I would have been definitely content with just collapsing the trade here. I'm still content. Don't get me wrong, but this is what I want to start, because these ranges are going to be fun coming up. So yeah, this is what I call the cat's asset profiles right here. The open, low, high, close in that order. And yeah, today was pretty sweet. So very, very fun. Reads like a nice book. Love it. So what are we looking at moving forward? Well, I kind of just like this daily candle. That's all. I will permit price to come into here. It can. And if it starts losing that, then I'll be aiming for something inside this wick, essentially. So first place I'm looking for a bottom is the previous day's 30% range. I'm aiming for previous day's high. If that gets taken in New York AM session tomorrow, I'm not going to think, oh, it's going to break out now. No, I'm going to wait for that pullback. So if we're above the open tomorrow opening bell and it peaks previous day's high or pokes it, that's where I'm going to look for the retracement. Okay. So first place I'm looking for a bottom, 24,943.75. And if we start losing that, 50% retracement is the wick here. So you don't even really need that on. And yeah, if we start losing that, then I'll immediately be aiming for inside probably this inefficiency down here. And then maybe we continue on our journey, because that's fun. All right, so our targets were 25,202 for the week. We seem to be making our way there. And I am a happy camper. God bless you guys. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you tomorrow.